Hi guys, today we will talk about how to choose notification tone for groups on your WhatsApp app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp. All you have to do in first step, just go up here, you click here on the sign here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and all you have to do now, just go down here and you click here on notifications. Then you come to notifications window here, then you just go down here and you come here to so you come here to vibrate or ringtone. So you come here to notifications tone here for groups. You will click here, then it's going to show for your window like this, and here you can choose tone for notifications here for or for groups here. So you just choose here and it's going to add with you. Just click on each one here you want to add, and it's going to add with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.